Building on the previous video dealing with a simple 45-degree offset, this video demonstrates a similar procedure for working with sloped vertical offsets exclusively in a plan view. As in the horizontal procedure, we'll start with two route line segments, separated horizontally and vertically. We still have a horizontal separation large enough to accommodate the 45-degree elbow fittings for the pipe size used, but the difference here is that we will be connecting route line segments which are sloped. If we hover over the midpoint of the route line, we can confirm that each has a slope of 0.020833, which is equal to 1/4 inch per foot. Working from left to right, we start a new route line at the endpoint of the existing route line segment. Set the alignment of the new route line by picking a second point on the existing left route line. Enter 45 degrees as the connection angle, and then select the closest endpoint of the second route line segment. Since the existing route lines are sloped, the drawing jig aligns to the slope of the existing route lines. The location of the second 45-degree fitting is found by snapping to the endpoint of the jig line. We don't have to change the common vertex elevation since the endpoint selected set the elevation for us. Select the endpoint of the existing right route line segment and complete the route line command by pressing the Enter key. Join the three route lines together and remove the extra vertices. The result is a single route line which represents the centerline path of a piping offset. Populate with the desired size pipe and fittings. As you can see, this offset was even easier to create than the horizontal one of the previous video.